Sometimes, in the hustle of life, we forget to live. We forget to calm down. We forget to think. We forget to care for ourselves. Why? Come, step out. For here is rest. Walk in the woods and breathe the wild air. Where nature will always surprise you. Feel the love. Let your heart rejoice. Soak yourself in the echo of the past. Wrap yourself in the beautiful works of those hands. Let culture widen your mind and spirit, and the smiles melt your heart. Let the food nourish your soul. Let the restful old river reveal its secrets and renew your spirits. Discover yourself. And when your mind is at peace, take home a stream of joy and timeless memories. Assam. Where else? It is so much more than you know. Come, explore.